Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to fix Todoist login issues in 2026. If you can't sign in to your Todoist account or keep getting login errors, this guide will walk you through the most effective solutions step by step. First, make sure your device is connected to a stable internet connection. A weak or unstable network can prevent Todoist from communicating with its servers during the login process. Next, double-check that you're entering the correct email address and password. If you've forgotten your password, click the Forgot Password option and follow the instructions to reset it. Now refresh the Todoist website or restart the app, then try signing in again. If you're using a web browser, clear your cache and cookies before attempting another login. Next, if the problem continues, try opening Todoist in an incognito window or use a different web browser. You can also update the Todoist app to the latest version if you're using a mobile device or desktop application. If you normally sign in with Google or Apple, make sure you're selecting the same sign-in method you used when creating your account. Now temporarily disable any VPN, proxy, or browser extensions that might interfere with the login process, then try signing in again. Finally, if you're still unable to access your account, check whether Todoist is experiencing a temporary service outage or contact Todoist support with the exact error message you're receiving. And that's it, you've successfully learned how to fix Todoist login issues step by step. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more helpful tutorials just like this.